How you doing? Yeah, I got a noise complaint that y'all been yelling to each other and stumping and stuff like that. Or y'all having a fight?
Oh, no.
We don't have it. We just came home from her parents in St. Pete, and yeah, we had an argument, but everything is alright.
Yeah, we're good. Sorry about it. Sorry about it. We're good, right? Sorry about it.
Okay, yeah, because I had a little call about, I had a call about, the residents being fighting in here, so I just came to check.
No, we don't have fighting. We don't have fighting. We argued, but we don't have fighting.
Okay, so no more
No.
We'll be
Everything is
quiet.
everything is fine.
Everything-
We are sorry for.
Okay,
for
so
the
y'all
noise.
roommates? Do you live here?
Yeah, we live here. We have an ID.
Oh, y'all are roommates?
Yeah. If you need
Okay.
an ID, we can.
No, you're good, you're good, you're
check
good.
something.
We're sorry.
No, you're okay, you're
Because
okay.
we just came home because we were driving from St. Pete, and yeah, we had an argument, but we don't have fight.
Yeah, we're sorry
for
about
for noise.
Okay, so you're good?
Yeah, we're really
Yeah,
good.
we-
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
very so sorry for that.
Okay, so the fight was nothing
No,
serious?
We didn't have the fight. No.
Okay. No, I'm saying, well, fight, I mean argument. The
Yeah, we
argument?
just-
Yeah, we had an argument. We are sorry for noise, but we didn't have a fight or any physical contact to
Okay,
each other.
For the argument, that was loud though, for the argument.
Sorry.
Yeah,
So everything is
we're
okay?
sorry. Yeah, everything is alright.
Y'all are a couple?
Yeah, we're
sorry
a couple.
about it.
Sorry
Oh.
about it. Sorry.
No, you're okay. Yes, just make sure that, when you argue, just make sure that you keep it.
Yeah.
Very sorry about it. We know
Yeah.
that it's too late, but we just came. It just
We
happened.
just came home
We're
from
very
my
sorry.
parents, and it was a really long trip today.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we're
yeah,
really
yeah.
so sorry about it. I'm so
No,
sorry.
yeah, okay. I'm just making sure that everything is alright,
Yeah.
because, just making sure that nobody's getting hurt.
Maybe if we park the car in the future parking, maybe we can ask him about it. My brother is left his car because he arrived here from the holidays, and he left the car in the future parking.
For night. Is it the problem? Is it will be towed away during the morning?
Yeah, because the future parking for residents, that's when the leasing office is open.
Where we can repark our car just
for
night
for
or-
tomorrow morning.
Well, my best bet it will be the visitors parking.
Where is that?
I think that's along the fence.
Along the fence.
You know when you come out by the trash can.
But I saw that the guy was walking there and was checking to a permit for.
Okay, so what you do is right. You put on down. You leave a note with your phone number
Okay.
and the building number.
To put a piece of paper under
Yeah,
the glass with
yeah.
a number that
Well, your
is,
phone number and whoever names is gonna be on it.
Okay.
And then but just don't put your unit number.
Just don't
No, because that's
strangers
it's for
can-
privacy.
Yeah,
for
yeah, yeah.
privacy, you don't want nobody coming out here to your unit
Yeah.
or office.
You mean in this side parking?
that is to
If you
goes to
can
Avalon.
come and we can just show you just for question where
Okay.
you can park the car. Here, please.
You mean this parking? That is.
You mean this parking side, right?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, you can park it right there. So
Right. We are so sorry.
We're so sorry
about
about
it.
the noise.
no, you're good. I just want to make sure because a lot of violence been going on
Yeah,
and a lot
we
of fights
know,
and
we
stuff like
know.
that. And spring break is coming, and
Yeah.
We didn't have a
so
fight. We just had an argument.
yeah,
We
argument.
lived
So
together for
listen, relationships has a lot of arguments. That's part of relationship. No relationship is perfect. So just make sure that next time you have an argument, make sure y'all talk it out and don't let the anger get the best of you to get angry and talk loud to each other. All right?
Yeah, we're sorry.
No, you're good. No
Thank you
problem.
very much.
Oh, sure. All right, have a good night. Guess anything,
too.
just give us a call, right?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.